Moves that make an ex contact you. My name is Coach Adrian, love and relationship coach. Welcome to our channel. What are some of the steps, some of the moves, some of the things that you can do that will make an ex chase you or reach out to you or seek to contact you? First and foremost, your ability to surprise them. If you're able to surprise your ex, they will most likely contact you. And this is a dynamic that I've seen over the years in coaching sessions. Your ex expects you to act a certain way. Your ex feels like they figured you out. They feel like they know what you have to offer and that you cannot change. When you start to surprise your ex in a positive way, then you give them an opportunity to reach out to you. They're going to be curious. They're going to want to know how you've been able to quickly move forward or to do things that perhaps you would have never done in the past while in a relationship. If and when they do contact you because you have surprised them, they may not tell you that that's the reason why they are reaching out to you. But you will know because of the fact that they're going to be reaching out to you perhaps out of the blue in a way that wasn't necessary, right? And they may ask you for, a logistical or an administrative question that they could have found the answer to if they had done a little bit of research. Your ex will also reach out to you when you stop validating them and when you stop putting them on a pedestal. This is a topic that we cover ad nauseum in most of our content, but it needs to be said here again. If you don't give your significant other time and space, if you're putting them on a pedestal, you are, in essence, preventing them from reaching out to you. So when you stop reaching out to them, you are giving them a chance to take steps towards you. When you're no longer communicating to them as if they were on a pedestal, you're also giving them an opportunity to reach out to you. It's all about not taking full ownership in the process of reconnection and having the patience and the discipline to not always reach out to them when you feel like it. By doing that, you're actually increasing your chances. It is a strong position that will enable them to want to reach out to you. They will also reach out to you when you stop living in the past, when you stop worrying about past mistakes, when you stop talking about the breakup, when you stop just living as if you were just waiting for them to come back. By doing that, you're giving yourself a chance to be more appealing, more interesting, for them to see you in a different way. And it does increase the likelihood that they will want to reach out to you. What I've seen also through experience is that when you start to take care of your physique, of your look, when you start to dress in a way that really embellishes who you are, that you feel proud of, it helps them see you in a new light. And it will increase their chances of wanting to connect with you because you're a challenge again. As you continue to convey that you're happy without them, it increases the likelihood of a positive dialogue. Perhaps they need a little bit of time. Perhaps they need space. Perhaps their ego is going to get in the way and they're not going to reach out to you directly. But it increases their appeal, their intrigue in the person that you are becoming. And even though they may not reach out to you right away, once you do reconnect, it will be a lot easier for you to carry on a conversation because they're going to feel as if you're a new challenge again, as if they're rediscovering the person that you are, kind of like the way they felt at the beginning of the relationship. So as you regain confidence, as you are able to continue to focus on what you can control, what's going to happen is that you are sending subliminal messages to them that they're going to want to react to respond to, even though they may not understand that that's what's at play. In essence, what you're conveying to them is that they may have made a mistake, that you're not the person that they expected you to be. And so the pressure is now on their shoulders to make sure that they haven't made a mistake, that they're actually sure that they're not going to regret this decision. And ultimately, as you continue to become that person that they fell in love with, it will be a lot easier for them to want to take steps towards you. Ultimately, it doesn't matter if they're reaching out to you first or if you are reaching out to them the right way from a place of confidence in a way that's not threatening and not desperate. Once we've rebuilt that communication platform, if you have done the work, you can navigate it successfully to help rebuild trust and to prove to them that you guys can be happy together. So it's not just about gimmicky tricks to get them to reach out, because we don't want them to reach out to you from a place of spite. We want them to reach out to you in a way that will enable healthy communication to flourish, because that's the goal. The goal is not just to win them back. The goal is to repair a healthy relationship. And that is what we are here to help you do. And our content can help. The comments and the different videos from other people that are walking that path can help. Coaching sessions with our coaches can help. And our free live trainings that we offer multiple times a month can help. And you can find a link in the description of the YouTube video below. As always, you are fighting the good fight. You are raising your emotional intelligence. You're understanding tips and tools that have worked for others. And I encourage you to continue to do so along the way. You will reach your goals because you're fighting the good fight. So take good care and see you soon.